And today we're going to be solving equations using adding and subtracting. Now, you're learning nothing new today. We are going to solve these inequalities just like we did with our equations where we drew our wall, and then we're going to graph our inequalities just like we learned a little bit ago. So let's look at our problems. And the first thing, of course, you have to do is draw your wall. Nothing's changed. You also are going to do the opposite operation to solve because we want to get the variable by itself. So we're going to add 2 on both sides. So that's going to leave us with Q is greater than or equal to -4. Notice you put the inequality and not the equal sign. So now you are just going to graph Q is greater than or equal to -4. So we're going to get a number line. So let's graph it. You don't have to make your graphs very big. You can keep them small. I usually do 3 numbers. That way you have the one we want and 2 on each side. So you're going to circle it because it is greater than or equal to. And then you are going to shade to the right. All right, let's look at our next one. Again, draw your wall. So you're going to subtract 9 on both sides so that D is greater than -1. Again, draw your number line. Opened or closed? That's right, it's open because you don't have your equal to piece. And we're grafting these to the left. All right, let's look at example number 3. So we're going to, again, draw your wall. We're going to add 5 on both sides so that 8 is greater to 12. Less than 12. And we're going to have an open circle. And we're grafting to the left. Now, in example number 4, many of you probably already see that the variable's in the back. No, you cannot flip your problem. Let's just solve it. So we're going to end up adding 2 on both sides. Oh, I'm sorry, that should be -6. So you notice right away, hey, your variable's in the back, can't happen. Remember, you have to flip it so that R is less than or equal to -6. And remember, we're flipping it like a pancake. Everything gets flipped. So you have -6. -5 and -7, open or closed. That's right, it's closed. And we're going to graph to the left. Alrighty, so our last little bit, we have a word problem here. And we have to take it and write it in as an inequality, and we have to solve it. So the drama club can spend no more than $120 on costumes. 120 is the max, not 121, but 120. They've already spent 79. So how much more can they spend? So let's write our inequality. So we know they've spent $79. And we need to figure out how much is costumes. We know that they have spent $120 already. So we've got to figure out, 79 plus C. C is just going to stand for costumes. And it's $120. So we're going to subtract, or draw our wall. Subtract -79 from both sides. And then you need to do your little math problem. So that is $41. And then, of course, you can graph it. Nope. And it actually should be equal to. So that's because you can spend $41 and still not go over your total. But you can't spend $41 and 1 penny. Not allowed. All right, guys, that's it. Solving, adding, and subtracting inequalities. Bye.